Hi, I'm Vidya Tikari and I'm a professional makeup artist. I've been doing a lot of fashion makeups as well as owning an academy. So it's a pleasure for me to be a part of Modicare and to introduce to you urban color. So today I will be demonstrating 3 looks of eye makeup using the eyeshadow quads as well as the 16-hour stay eyeliners. Hi everyone, so I'm going to start off with Ruhani's eye makeup, and what I'll be using from Urban Color by Modicare is the super matte eyeliner. This is the 16-hour stay. So the one which I'm using is the black one, and this is super for a classic eyeliner look. So let's begin. Okay, so I'll be beginning with my classic eyeliner look on Ruhani. So what I'm doing is I'm starting from the outside and I'm working my way in. Be sure to work very close to the eye line. Then I'm starting from the inner corner and I'm working my way out. So once you have your classic line, then you can start moving away from the eye line. So here, I'm going to give it a very short wing. Now, because this liner is super matte, it tends to dry up when you have it out of the bottle for a long time. So just put it back in, give it a quick shake, and start again. And the great thing about this eyeliner is you can use it on all eye types, even very sensitive eye types. It's water resistant, it's waterproof. And I feel with the super matte kind of a look, it lasts and it gives a really intense black look, as you can see. So what I'm doing now is I'm joining the line from the inner corner all the way through right to the end, and I'm giving it a slight wing. So I've got the top line. Now I'm just going to use a little bit of the Urban Color Kajal. So I'm starting now with the Urban Color Kajal. And the great thing about this is it's waterproof, it's 10-hour stay. And you can use it as a gel liner as well as inside the waterline as a Kajal. So it's dual function. It's creamy, it's soft, it's easy to use, and it dries fast so it doesn't smudge. So I'm using it straight in the waterline, and there we go. It just gives a really nice dark and very intense look. Now I'm finishing this eye makeup with my super matte 16-hour stay eyeliner, and I'm using this underneath the lash line. I'm not using it in the lash line, but under the lashes. I'm just going to connect the bottom line to the top line for that classic eyeliner look. So I'm starting from the outside. I'm working my way right into the inner corner. I'm just connecting it up, working all the way through. And the great thing about this liner is it's very fine right on the tip, so you can get right into the edges and give that beautiful sharp line. Okay. And I'm just joining it up right to the edge and giving it that beautiful tip which we want. And here is where the connection comes in. So from the bottom eyeline to the top, I'm just connecting it for that beautiful wing. And I'm just going to give it a little bit of a flick out. The best thing about the tip is it's really fine. It enables you to achieve that really fine cat wing. And there is, and here is the cat wing happening. And there we go. Now I'm completing this look with the mascara. Now once again, the Urban Color Mascara is long stay, it's water resistant, it's waterproof, and it's dual function. It's volumizing as well as lengthening. So it does everything which you'd want a mascara to do. So what I'm doing is I'm zigzagging this mascara right on the base of the lashes. It just makes the base of the lashes a lot thicker. And now I am lengthening it out. I'm curling the lashes with the wand and I'm lengthening them. So you can see the brush is really wide and fluffy, so it gives it that volume and it also gives it that curl once I bring it up and out. So once it dries, it becomes waterproof. I'm doing the same on the bottom lashes, just a little bit of a zigzag on the base, and I'm just lengthening out and opening up the lashes with the wand. So there you go. So now I'm going on to the Urban Color Radiance Blush, and the color is Fresh Coral. And the wonderful thing about this blusher is it has vitamin E in it. So it's really soft on the skin and it kind of adapts to all skin types. So what I'm doing here is I'm flicking it onto her cheekbones so it looks really fresh, very light, and it doesn't give that streaky effect. So as you can see, it's really blending in beautifully on her cheekbones. I'm doing the same on this side. Just flicking it on. And the best thing about this is a little bit of product goes a long way. So there we have it. Just a little touch on the chin, tip of the nose, and the forehead area. I'm using the Urban Color Extreme Stay Liquid Lipstick, and this is just a beautiful color, and it's easy to use. It just glides on very easily, and once it dries off, it just stays in place for a long time. So you can see it's really easy to use. So for those of you who have problems with lipsticks not lasting on the lips, you can use this straight on without any primer and without a lip pencil. I hope that's true. Because of the shape of the applicator, you can get right into the edges of the lips. You don't need to use a lip brush or a lip pencil for this. And there we have it.